Hi, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please do subscribe. I like to do art stuff and DIY things, so I hope that you enjoy my channel. Thanks. When I was in New Zealand, I fell in love with traveling in my car. So when I came back to Malaysia, I decided to build one out of my little Viva. I know a lot of people have Perodua Vivas in Malaysia, so it's not impossible. So far, this is my second attempt to make a wooden platform. I'm no carpenter, I'm a lousy carpenter, but this is the best that I could make out of my limited carpentry skills. You can probably do something better, but here we go. So all I made was 3 basic boxes with 4 sides with a lid and this platform at the back. It's got some legs to keep it stable. Okay, so in order to make this board more stable, because it tended to move around and those so what I did was I just got these egg trays and I completely stuffed the areas that were empty underneath this board, so that this board is actually very stable to sit on right now. And also I attached these 2 hooks onto both sides of the plank, and I tied these to the seatbelt hooks that's attached to the car. There's 3 boxes in this car used for storage. So this is 1, and this is 2. It's got my clothes in there, and this is the 3rd box right in front. So the 3rd box, the front is a bit taller than the back, so you have to measure everything properly before building this. Make sure that your measurements are correct. This is my Totoro fan, is an essential item. So it uses a USB charger. I charge it with my power bank. So this is the lid. The lid of the box has got these 4 support squares that once you put it inside the box, the lid won't move around, so it's stable. So all the lids have these 4 squares on the corners to hold it in place, but I can lift it up from any angle. So yeah, I have these extra pieces of wood that I nailed onto the sides of the box, so it gives better support for the lids. This is made out of plywood, but I wouldn't recommend it because plywood emits this kind of chemical smell. I did read up about it, and apparently this smell will dissipate after about 2 years, so I guess I have to wait. I still can open my dashboard. I can keep my small items there. So I bought this online. This is a USB charger, very useful. Yeah, I'm thinking about my privacy. I'll probably need to tint my glass, but I haven't gotten around to doing that. So this is how it looks like, bare. Yeah, just a frame. And ta-da! This is my complete setup with my bed and everything in it. This is my small table which I can actually use. My bed is just a piece of sponge that I happen to find, so it's very comfortable and thick. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel by clicking that big round pink face in the video. Do leave me your comments and any questions, and I'll see you next time. Bye!